I, Rahul Agarwal, Associate Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, present a video lecture on translation transformation on behalf of Guru KPA. Now, what is translation transformation? Transformation means change, and translation transformation means change in object position. If object position is changing, then it is known as translation transformation. Like in the diagram, original object point is at this place P and object location is changing. Now the new location is P dash. It is known as translation transformation because object position is changed. Original object position is P, xy. That means this distance is x and this one is y. Suppose we are changing this location in x direction by tx factor and in y direction by ty factor. By this, the new location be x dash and y dash. So by using the geometry, we get x dash is equal to x plus tx because this is x and this is tx. So the new distance x dash be equal to x plus tx and y dash be equal to y plus ty. Y is original location and ty change in y direction. So the new location is y dash y plus ty. Here tx translation factor in x direction and ty is translation factor in y direction. We can represent these translation equations in also matrix form. The translation equations are x dash is equal to x plus tx, y dash is equal to y plus ty. This can be represented in matrix form by using this. X dash y dash is equal to 1 0 0 1 xy plus tx and ty. And we can also represent this into shorthand form. P dash is equal to ip plus t. Here I is identity matrix, P is original coordinates, T is translation factor. By translating it, the new location is this one. P dash is new location, P is original location, I is identity matrix and T is translation factor. So any kind of any change in position is known as translation transformation. Like object is at here and its position is changing. It is known as translation transformation. Change in x direction be represented by tx and change in y direction is represented by ty. If we add original location with translation factors, then we can get the new location. Thank you and thank you. For more details, you can log on www.gurukpa.com.